Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about this, and I'm going to probably ruin this name, Oraimo ice maker. This is just the slickest thing. So if you're like me and you don't have a refrigerator that doesn't make ice and you're constantly making ice, this is a great little gadget, especially if you do a lot of entertaining and you're doing a lot of drinks and you need ice. This is the perfect little thing. It's a countertop and it's lightweight. I can lift it, so it's pretty easy to use. And all you do is, this is your basket of ice, but in order to get it going, you just fill up the base with water to there's a fill line in there, and then you just put this basket in there, and within about 15 minutes, you will have ice. It'll start making ice. Up here is your display panel that shows you a snowflake, so it's making ice. And over here, it'll tell you various things. It's your on and off button. You also have a clean button, and it'll tell you when you need water. This is a great little thing, and let me show you this ice. This is this really small, bite-sized ice. Great for nice drinks. Perfect to put in your blender to chop it up and maybe make a frozen drink. It won't really destroy your blender as much as the big bulky pieces of ice. This is great, especially if you're having a party. And it's easy to use. It doesn't make a lot of noise. As you can hear, it's running right now. So, and it does shut off. So it shuts off once it's filled or once it's done dispersing ice. Perfect for parties. And that is just my honest opinion.